I thought I better make a warning for this video. There is a segment in it that is for my regular viewers of this channel. You might want to look away or skip if you were not, if you weren't too fond of like Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. Those type of shows where, you know, wild out in the wild. It's there's a food chain out there. So if you're not a regular subscriber and you come across this video, I ask you to watch it in its entirety. There are some other wildlife. We've come across some baby wild boars and some other wildlife. But for the regular viewers, somewhere about the 10-minute mark, yeah, when it gets to be an alligator with a really big fish, it's probably 3 or 4 feet long. You know, he death rolls it, and it's something else. So, and it goes on and death rolls it like 3 more times. So, but then afterwards, there's nice, friendlier stuff like manatee. For there's a second part. There'll be manatee, and then there'll be a second part after the alligator that has manatee and turtles and that kind of stuff. So, no matter who you are, I hope you'll watch the entire video. I just want to put that warning out for the regular viewers, somewhere like the 10 to 12 minutes in there. So anyway, we'll get on with the regular beginning of the video, the welcome back part. We'll get started. Hello everybody, welcome back. We're gonna get out of here for a little while today, just because we can. We might go check out, see if we can see a little see if we can find a little bit more wildlife out and about a little bit today. And then I've set up a couple of cameras here that I'll have to check when I get back. But I think there's something down in the canal I want to check before we go. Let's see what's going on down there. Okay, well, when you know it, just right here beside the house is manatee right there. I think there's 3 of them actually. We need some dang manatee food. That guy's pretty big. Is that a baby with him? Her? Maybe it's a mama. And then there's 2 more. Look how long. Yeah, I think there's a baby one with him. Her. Now the water's all muddy. Here, little piggy, 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 piggy.
Do you want me to drive up to
Yeah, so this might be another it might be another wildlife episode.
Do you want me to drive up to him?
Yeah, just kind of coast, just like you are.
But yeah, there's a mama close by. Those are all the way out.
Stop. It almost seems like this is going to be another wildlife video, but I don't think it is. Maybe a little bit of it, but I'm out here looking around in the woods. And here's this weird like foundation of something. It's hard telling what that might have been back in the day. It's just like a big capital letter D. I don't know what that might have been. And then, you know, it has nice river access here. Never know about these weird, not weird, but just old remnants in the woods. Gotta wonder what they were. See, there's steps that go down to the water. Need a broom. Maybe one of these big old things here. The water's pretty high. It's high tide right now. I don't know how far that water goes down in there, but old bent up railing. Don't know. Gotta watch out for critters around here though. Believe me, I'm watching out for critters. Okay, this is kind of cool. There's a stone wall that comes down along here, right in front of me, and over through there, and back across, like if somebody tried to make a fish pond or something. Let's go around the other side a little bit. Yeah, this is the back side of that other one. It goes over there, and then across, and back through here. But then this little tree, well, 3 trees, it has its own little circle around it. And this one's a little bit busted up. And here's another one over here. Okay, we're having audio problems, so I'm just going to voice over this part of it. These are just all through here. There's just many. There's many of them. There's one over here. Where is it? There's one over here. Yeah, this little one here, it's like really deep compared to the others. I don't know what the purpose is. All I can guess is that this used to be some kind of, you know, resort or vacation property, you know, way back in the day at some point. This was all overgrown really bad, and it's been all clear cut because way out there, they're starting a new housing development, and they put in a road, and there's lots for sale. Some have been sold or have a sold sign on them. And, you know, upon kind of developing this area, they came back and cut all this. And they obviously found these, and, well, they didn't ruin them all, so that's kind of nice. It's going to make for some interesting backyards on some of the lots. But, yeah, nice river access, or just a little canal that goes down to the river. But yes, I wonder what used to be here. They had all those borders made out of stone. Pretty nice back here. I left a couple cameras going back at the house. I think we've been out and about enough today. I want to go back and see what we've captured. Maybe it is going to turn out to be mostly a wildlife video. Alright, we'll get going. Go on. Stick your head out. Ooh, he hisses. Made me jump. Go on. Go on, what are you gonna do? He says, I ain't gonna do anything. Alright, we're gonna get out of here and leave him alone. You really shouldn't pester wildlife or turn your back on it. But there he goes. I guess that's about as running as the turtles. It's about as good as they're gonna run. Go on. Run home. Run home. All right, we're out of here. Come here, girl. Come here. There's Bella. Huh. There's Bella. I hope the few calming scenes at the end helped after all that dramatic savagery from the alligator. That was something to catch on to record. I hope nobody's too traumatized by it. I think Bella just wants to sniff the ground and roll around in something. I got a stick. I got a stick. Ready? 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 Sit. Sit. Speak. I'll speak. Get it. Get that stick. Go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Here it is. Psst. Bella. Bella. I'll get it. Anyway, as always, thanks for coming along today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon.